my child dream.
So yeah, it's like a big injection of Audi into the blood of each of one of us.
It's a really big honor to be part of Team USA.
We are gonna do our best and share this experience with all the countries and make a lot of friends.
There's no difficulty when we work as a team. When we work as a team, makes everything easy.
The test was not easy.
Very strong competition.
The task was pretty cool.
Biggest challenge was to adapt to the new changes that are coming in, and they're coming in fast.
A learning curve, yeah.
The control is perfect on the car.
Awesome, right? Perfect car.
It was a lot of fun.
It was beautiful. It was wonderful ride.
It's simply amazing.
I think it's great to have both departments coming together. We work together back at home. I feel it's only right for us to all be here.
Communication was perfect. It was flawless, honestly, so I think it went super well.
We work together and we must be one team, not two teams.
And it's fully necessary for our clients.
We did a really good team building, as we showed. 大きい声で。チームを。
It was just amazing to get better in touch with the new product.
The countryside is beautiful, the towns we got to see were beautiful, and it was just really fun to spend a day with our team.
It's amazing. It's amazing driving all over these places, these towns.
Incredible test drive with our Q8 e-tron.
For a whole year, you have been preparing and qualifying yourself for this one evening.
Welcome to the grand final of the Audi Twin Cup 2023. Switzerland! The gold medal